Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for food stamps in Virginia. So all you have to do is head over to dss.virginia.gov, and from here just hover your mouse on assistance. Then next is hover your mouse on food connections, then click on snap. And from this page, you can see guidelines and instructions for your application. So there are actually two options. First is you're going to need to go through screening for eligibility and or apply online through Common Help. And to go through this process, just click on this link and follow the on-screen guidelines. Another option is to bypass eligibility screening and submit an application manually. And to do that, just scroll down and look for the Forms section. And from here, you're going to need to click on Application for Benefits. Just choose your preferred language, then click on it. And from here, you can see a PDF file of the application form. And all you have to do is fill this out. Make sure that you're the question being asked, and make sure that you answer them accurately and correctly. Then, once done, you can return it to your local Department of Social Services. You can click on this link and find the nearest local department near your place. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!